Hi, this is a quick tip about using the formulas in the commands for Tekla structures. So suppose if I want to move this line by some distance, probably like at L by 5 from the edges, or maybe L by 6 or something like that, I can then just go to quick pick. I can click this point, I can click the other edge. Okay, it's this, and the only thing I need to do is I need to add an equal to and then just divide it by whatever I want it to be, and I can click. Oops, I need to select the line, and this is how it moves it by the solution of this one. So if I suppose I wanted to instead just multiply it, I could have done by 5, and okay, it moved it by the dimension that we needed. It's just So you get it. Basically, just to put an equation into this, you need to press equal to and whatever the equation is, and you see it moved up. So that's basically a quick tip. Thanks for watching.